welcome back to my channel. It's Ron K. Raji.
White eyeshadow is in. I literally watch Chelsea, Makeup by Chelsea, all the time, and when I tell you I love the way she does eyeshadow, and I just watched a TikTok video from her where she was like, you guys need to try white eyeshadow for summer, and I was like, say less, girl, say less. She's actually such a talented makeup artist, and she now does Doechie's makeup, which is absolutely amazing. And I was like, okay, how am I going to do this white eyeshadow? One thing I noticed about doing such a bright eyeshadow on brown skin is that you have to go in with an eyeshadow base that is white as well. Now, this is my whole full foundation routine. If you want me to do a sweat-proof foundation routine, let me know. But I'm in the middle of foundation shades right now because I have been out in the sun. When I tell you, this summer I've been outside, so I have been getting very, very brown, and I actually have to go and get myself a foundation that is literally 2 shades darker than what I usually go for. I'm usually a Macau in NARS, but now I matched myself, and I think I'm gonna have to wear New Caledonia, which is like 2 shades over. Now let's get into this eyeshadow look. So this is the About Face Liquid Shadow. I really like this one because it doesn't dry so fast, but what I like about it as well is that when you put it on, you just blend it out. So all I do is I just blend it out like usual. When you're doing one eyeshadow look, I promise you it's super simple. All you have to do is stop above your crease. Now, I don't have super hooded eyes, but I do have hooded eyes in the sense that, like, when I open my eyes, you will not be able to see the shadow. So I make sure that I create that eyeshadow a little bit above my crease, and I use my bronzer to blend it out before I actually go in with the eyeshadow. So you see the gradient is already there with the bronzer, then I go in with the actual white eyeshadow. This Stone Cold Fox palette, the reason why I really like this specific white is because it actually has a little bit of glitter in it, and I really, really love it. I've actually done this eyeshadow look before during the winter, and it's such a beautiful winter look as well. So I obviously had to pair it with a nude lip. Let's be for real, like, look at the eyes, and the white is just giving everything. This look came out so much better than I expected, and I took so much time on it, so love that. So usually I used to use MAC Chestnut, but now I use Makeup Forever 608 Limitless Brown, and I use Velvet Teddy 2.0, which I haven't used this lipstick in such a long time, but here we are. And I just use a little bit of a glossy lip, and that is really all. I wanted this to be like a simple, cute tutorial so that you guys will see how I achieve this white eyeshadow look. If you want more makeup tutorials, please let me know in the comment section down below. Do not forget to subscribe, guys. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. But like, look at the outtakes though. She is killing it. Oh my gosh, who she thinks she is. Yeah girl, get into that slow-mo shut. I actually need to go upstairs and go and eat right now, but I had to record this voiceover real quick and upload this video so that I don't forget. All right, toodaloo guys, have a nice day. I'll see you on Thursday for another video.